So there you have it, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video on how pliable claymation is, just for fun, and I usually do this every single day before I leave the house, so I figured why not do it today and show you guys my daily routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also want to give a big shout out to my barber, Fernando Salazar III, for hooking me up with this clean taper and always keeping me fresh. I'll put his details down below in the description if you guys want to hit him up or if you guys are interested in getting a cut by him. So thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to list down everything. Peace.